They told them that if they convict me, that is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated their judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so.
Come back once again. Congratulations to Nnamdi Kanu as he has finally entered the appeal court recently. As a matter of urgency and fact, Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, being Barrister Maxwell Opara, has now revealed how Nnamdi Kanu has filed a lot of documents regarding his appeal under that particular conviction by Justice James Omotosho. Remember, ever since Nnamdi Kanu filed his appeal, the appeal court has not given any updates, neither has his lawyer stated anything regarding his appeal. And a lot of persons are so curious, inquisitive, and eager to know the next move of Nnamdi Kanu so that he will not probably return or remain in Sokoto Correctional Center. Now I'm going to be giving you all the full update as we speak. Nnamdi Kanu's files, full documents, transcripts, and every evidence he has regarding his clear distinctions and conviction that Justice James Omotosho issued that particular judgment under a repeal law has finally gotten to the appeal court, and this is a victory come true for Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to be showing you what Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer came out recently and stated, being Maxwell Opara, how he stated. You could hear clearly in the video. I will play it shortly, and you will see the luggage, the bag, the files, and the documents, and the identification of Nnamdi Kanu appearing so victorious in this particular case. How Maxwell Opara revealed it. Now, I'm going to play the video for you to hear. Aside playing the video, I will also, elaborate and expatiate what it will take, the next line of action, if the appeal court hears and since they have received this file, what is now the next step. But before I do that, now listen attentively to what Barrister Maxwell stated, how he visited Nnamdi Kanu in the Correctional Center in Sokoto, and the files that has now been received by appeal court judges. And at that same time, we'll discuss other issues regarding this. Watch, and when we come back, we'll continue.
I just came out from Sokoto Correctional Center. Where Nnamdi Kanu is serving his prison staff. So I think I call roundabout near the Correctional Center in Sokoto here. I just came to inform him that his record of appeal. His record of appeal, we have transmitted it at from Federal High Court to Court of Appeal. His appeal has been entered. I just came to share the good news with him. I came to celebrate Easter with him here and to also encourage him. So when I arrived, I went to see him. So we have a very fruitful discussion. So and his spirit is high. For those of you who think that they have bribed Mazi has agreed to be the struggle. You don't know whom you are talking about. You need to come and see him. He is committed to the struggle. That's one of the things. I don't know the kind of spirit he is. We are talking about they are going to give him pardon. You give pardon to a criminal, not a freedom fighter. I am saying so. For those of you who feel that he's going to die here so that he will take over the direction of the struggle, you are just dreaming. I'm telling you, when you see our brief of argument and everything, you will give judgment by yourself. So everybody should remain calm. Those of you who are listening to gossip, why shouldn't be listening to gossip? Why shouldn't be listening to social media where the people, the federal government, people so to destroy the struggle? Why shouldn't be listening to them? So just relax. Our appeal has been entered. This is a record of appeal. I've given him his own copy. So I will be with him here from now till Easter to celebrate Easter with him. And also, I also want to use this opportunity to thank the sister, those who are in Sokoto here taking care of him. I want to also thank you people. You guys are doing well. All the lovers of freedom. What must in it for me is prayers. I hear them say, nobody can bribe him. Nobody can force him to do funny things. He's committed to the struggle. He has said it and he continues to say it. He never committed any crime. Of course, people will know that he never committed any crime. So we are committed to what we are doing. And I believe at the end of the day, at the end of the tunnel, we will see light. Thanks and God bless you.
Come back once again. I believe you've listened attentively to Barrister Maxwell, and this is a conviction that yes, Nnamdi Kanu's file has now entered the appeal court properly. Now, what is next? Like, what is the next step of action? As you can see on your screen, What matters in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case is what is now being clear. The first one, the appeal is now ripe for hearing. That is what it means. And at this time, the Court of Appeal can now fix a hearing date. And that date will be announced where the Court of Appeal will now say, okay, fine and good. We have received these files. We have gone through them. What is the bone of contention? What we are going to do now is, what the Court of Appeal is going to do is that they will assign a panel of justices, and usually it is always 3 justices that will handle this particular case. What are the justices going to do? They will be scrutinizing this file, listening to the appellant's brief, and also the respondent's brief, being the federal government. They will listen to them and listen to the appellant briefing, being the Kanu's argument regarding what is happening. And if they must have listened to all of this, in furtherance, they are going to go straight to hearing the briefing of argument that will be exchanged. After the argument must have been exchanged and they've heard everything, both from complaints from both sides and arguments enshrined based and carried on the constitution, if they have now fixed a very clear hearing date that will be scheduled. Now the 3 panel, usually 3 judges, will hear the case and the court will decide whether to take these 3 decisions. Now the court is going to take what we call very decisive decisions. The 3 decisions are: 1, is either the court oppose the court's decision, is either this appeal court oppose the previous Justice Omotosho's court's decision, or they set that particular Justice Omotosho's court decision aside, or they give a fresh order. This is exactly what is expected of the appeal court judges. Is either they uphold Justice Omotosho's judgment based on the facts they have seen, or probably based on the constitution if they can actually find one, or they set aside whatever judgment Justice Omotosho issued. And if they are setting aside that judgment, they will have a proof of stating clearly that, look, both on the appellant and the defendant or the correspondent, look at exactly the reason why we are quashing this particular judgment. Now, when you listen to Justice James Omotosho's judgment previously on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and see the files being filed by Maxwell Opara and Olo Ejimako of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's legal team, you understand that the bedrock of everything is that the judgment was sentenced under a repeat law. So therefore, that could also give an edge for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to win that particular case and for the appeal court to quash that judgment on that ground. Or they could give a fresh order. It's either they give an order stating that Justice James Omotosho should be penalized for doing this or that, or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should actually go this other route. This is exactly what is expected, and a lot of persons were happy seeing this particular information coming directly from Maxwell Opara after he visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is to tell you that the files you're seeing in this bag has already gotten to the appeal court. So without wasting much of any time, before now, the date will be announced, which we're going to defrill on this particular channel, and that particular case will commence. Don't forget to share, like, and also hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and click on the like button so you always get informations promptly when we drop them here. If this is your first time, don't forget to pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just as how Maxwell Opara has now stated it. Get to the comment section and pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that this particular victory and this good news that is coming on the Easter period will actually get him freed from the correctional center. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.